All right, so let's take a look at AT&T stock. So AT&T stock has been getting hammered pretty much ever since they decided to spin off their Warner Brothers streaming that they HBO, and I think that was the worst decision they could have made. I think they should have stuck with it. I think there was a lot of potential with their streaming service, but overall they made this decision, and ever since it's hurt us. So due to the spinoff, we're at $16.01 with a market cap of 111.09 billion. So that's low. I mean, when you look at compared to Verizon and T-Mobile, they're around 165 billion in market cap. So they're not too far off, but I think AT&T might go lower. So let's just take a look at what some economists are writing about AT&T. So the stock is down over 45% over the past 5 years and 44% over the past 10 and 57% this century. So that is that's insane when you look at it, when you look at those numbers. But is it accurate? Well, I mean, they went down because of the spinoff, so part of it's accurate, part of it isn't, but either way, it still hurt us. But it's being affected greatly because they are no longer raising their dividend. So before, for the last 30 years, they were raising the dividend, and things have been solid with AT&T. They were steady. This dividend was awesome. It still is awesome. It's at 6.9%, but times are looking rough. So they are focusing on debt reduction, and as a result, that dividend is what's hurting them right now. So, is there a possibility that dividend could be cut? Yes. I could see a potential with how they're going, but I am really hoping somebody buys out AT&T. That would be wonderful. Somehow, some way, or or they just get new board members and they clear out management because this company is just going down, and I don't want to see that dividend disappear. When Disney cut theirs and Ford cut theirs, it it just hurt them in the long run, in my opinion. But overall, we kind of have to expect no dividend increase going forward because in May 19th, articles were written saying that their dividend wouldn't be increased until 2024 and they'd be focusing on debt reduction. So we kind of knew about this, but overall, when it comes time and you see this, it just it puts a bad taste in everyone's mouth. So I want you to be aware of what's going on with AT&T, and T, and honestly, I would not be surprised if it hits $15, and that would suck because this should be a $20-$25 stock. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.